sick as fuck. I wish I parked next to it, bro. Yo, chat. Oh, hey, rev that shit.
I think he's in the car.
We get a nice little rev going. Nice little rev going, boss.
5 cylinders right now.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Sorry to hear that.
Hey. Crispy. Doing a burnout with the cops right there too. That's great. He don't be giving a fuck. That dude said he don't care. There's cops literally there's so many cops that's lit up like a fucking Christmas tree. That shit's nice as shit. Rev it. Yeah, hell yeah. Joe, watch out, bro. I don't be giving no fucks. Hey, slide it if you love tits. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Try and rev it. Oh, dude. Yo! What the fuck? They weren't stopping either, bro. What the fuck? That guy came out of nowhere. Viper. Got the engine open and shit. I'm about to show you all these cars, bro. Comment which one you think's the best, bro. Plum. Say what up to YouTube, bro. I'm trying to get back on the grind.
Day one supporter from
Hell yeah. Hey, no can't. This actually was one of the first people watching my shit.
Oh my god, the shoe unboxing videos. If y'all wasn't there, y'all need to be here now. Subscribe.
It's sick as fuck. I wish I parked next to it, bro. Let us know which one you think's the best car, bro. Right now, I think the Viper's got it. But this G8 is low-key a close second. Hey, this bitch tough, though. Got the whipple on that motherfucker, bro. Hell yeah, big shit. No, because, bro.
Oh yeah, this red eye. This is red eye.
Hey, is this Fast Life next?
Yeah.
Holy shit, that shit is sick.
This red eye was like, bro.
That sounds like a fucking T-Rex. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah!
Eric, run that.
Resin, it's actually wraps, bro. I'm backing up.
Yeah. The R8 doing? My fault.
Hey, we gotta get this shit on camera though. Can we get a nice little rev session, bro? Hell yeah, that shit's crisp.
Hit it again.
Holy shit! Hey, I dead ass felt a wave of flames.
I swear to
That
God.
shit actually like would
It
like warm me up, bro.
I felt way
That shit
warmer.
felt good. Nice little rev session. Oh, hell no, what the fuck is he gonna do? Come on! What the fuck? That's his twin. Hey, you gotta park up real quick, bro. You going to Starbucks?
Yeah, Starbucks.
This might be the vibe now, coming here. I like coming here more. It reminds me of like a Fast and Furious speed spot, bro. Like, look. Hell yeah, SRT8. Gosh damn, bro. Bro, he just blew so much fucking smoke, bro. Look at this shit. He just shitted on us, bro.
That low mode was pretty cool.
Haha. Yeah, we took over a vlog. Took over a vlog.
It ain't even. He's actually coming up. He's coming up. I'm gonna hit this shit again.
Hey, bro, you looking good in this camera light.
Hundreds of your
You gotta do the thing. You gotta do the I don't fucking know, man. What were you saying?
Do a fucking burnout.
Oh, I was trying to have a rep battle, bro, with my artificial Hellcat. Hey, spin that shit if you love titties. Oh shit! Hey, come on, bro.
It's okay, you're not.
You got, hey, do a burnout, bro.
Just stand still, burnout. You
Oh yeah, do a burnout. Bro, say it up to you two. He just got a 5'7".
What up? What up?
Hell yeah.
And I got that SpongeBob card. Invisible card, man.
Hey, we need one more rev sesh, bro. Plum Crazy next to Plum Crazy. This shit's tough. Plum Crazy Charger, bro, you're a year. Next to my shit. Bro, this shit's sick. I'm it for John Pork. Hell yeah. I'm gonna swerve around that corner. Whoa.
Oh man, now.
Hey, you guys want to see this? You want to see us get run out? Go! It's not gonna slide, bro. Y'all, I'm at the motherfucking Troy Motor Mall, bro. They got a fucking Lamborghini store. Fucking Rolls Royce, bro. Each other, bro. I've never actually seen a Bugatti in real life. Now, Lamborghini and McLaren, they have them, bro, but I don't know if Bugatti actually has a car. Oh my God, there's a fucking Bugatti. Holy shit. Oh, no, that's an Aston Martin, bro. That shit said $4,800 a month for a rent. I mean, lease. What the fuck, bro? Imagine having a lease of fucking Rolls Royce, $4,800 a month. Fuck that. That's sick. We in Lamborghini with it, y'all. $4,300 a month. That's more than I make, bro. What the fuck, bro? I wonder how much that tire cost. We're literally just chilling in Lamborghini. It's lit as hell in here. This color is amazing. 300,000. That's like twice my crib. Oh, they sold it? Oh, dude. That's so tough. That Lamborghini's so sick. Oh, guys, they sell merch. Oh, dude, this is sick. Dude, they got Lamborghini rims. Guys, Troy Motor Mall, bro. This place is lit as fuck, bro. There's nobody even in here. They got Lamborghini headphones. What the fuck does Lamborghini not make, bro? Hell yeah, man. Nice car, man. Dude, oh man, that's sick, yo. They got fucking Lambos in there, bro. They got fucking Lambos, Bentleys and shit. Bro, this place is literally insanely tough, guys. You guys don't even know. Let's get a quick little speed session going. You feel me? Hell, bro, guys, this shit's fucked up, bro. It's like the slide spot, bro. Everybody comes to this church to slide on French. Some dumb fuck. Bro, this is some bullshit. They burnt this shit down, bro. There used to be a roof over it. Like, obviously, like, the church wasn't in use. There used to be a roof over it, bro. Like, what the fuck? There's beams supporting it, bro. Like, I could fall through right now and I wouldn't even know. Bro, this church, when people say, hey, we going to the church, bro, on French, you know where you're going. And they burnt this shit down. That's disrespectful, bro. It's heck. Man. Bro, so many cars just drove down, bro, off French. There's like 100+ cars. But there's a fuck ton of sweet cars, bro. Shit's lit. Hell yeah. Fucking demon? Holy shit. Holy, hey. Bro, that was a fucking demon, bro. That was a demon, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Oh boy, Gonzo? And Barney?
Barney!
Shit, bro.
Now you're
Oh, that's actually tough, bro.
now you're in the
Hydro-
way.
I can't, there's nothing I can do, bro. Hey, gotta make sure that's rolling in case he hits it for my insurance. That shit's tough as fuck. Yo.
What did he said? They're going back to French.
Guys, I don't know what the fuck happened. All I seen was motherfucking cop cars go flying past. What the fuck happened, bro?